We're always trying to get the most natural, realistic look when wearing toppers or any alternative hair. So why not upgrade your look with a French drawn top? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here we have our original easy part. And here we have an easy part with a French drawn top. Can you see the difference in the parting? Here you can see the parting looks more realistic, almost like the hair is growing straight from the scalp. French drawn tops are different from traditional tops because of the superior knotting technique that hides the knot under a layer of glass silk. Let me show you how it's made and what makes Jon Renau's design so unique. First, each hair is hand-tied to the Swiss lace. Next, a layer of glass silk is applied on top, where both the finished length and the return hairs are drawn through, completely disguising the knots. Lastly, a second layer of glass silk is applied underneath the Swiss lace. This bottom layer of glass silk both protects the knots and helps provide softness for the wearer. This is what makes Jon Renau's French knotting technique an exclusive, superior option for those wanting the most natural and realistic appearance. If you enjoyed learning about Jon Renau's French drawn tops and want to learn more, visit our YouTube channel and subscribe.